DL+EC Builders Corporation. Renovation of 3-story residential in Imus, Cavite. Contemporary design. Simple look. And easeful feeling. A home that exemplifies sophistication and utility. A home that is simple but still graceful and stylish. A home that has white scheme with minimal accent. A home that maximizes spaces and function. This home is designed with aesthetic vibes and have proper lighting and ventilation. Stairs going to second floor. On the second floor, we have the plain but affluent design master's bedroom. The veranda. A neat design kids' bedroom. And a common toilet and bath. Stairs going to third floor. On the third floor, we have the bedroom 1, bedroom room 2, and the family room, which are aesthetically pleasing with wood accent design. This home has vigorating interior that gives relaxation, comfort, and calmness to each member of the family. Like the Flores Residence, DL+EC can transform a simple house into an architecturally and extraordinary home.